What if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient could slowly remove tan and make your skin look brighter in just a few weeks? Most people try random home remedies, but they either don't work or damage the skin even more. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 simple home remedies that actually help reduce tanning and dark spots naturally. And make sure you watch till the end, because the third remedy is the one most people in India swear by for faster tan removal. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I share simple skincare tips and self-care routines that actually work in real life. So if you want clearer, healthier skin without expensive products, make sure you stay till the end. Let's start with the first remedy. The first remedy is one of the most underrated natural ingredients for sun-damaged skin, aloe vera. If your skin feels irritated, dull, or uneven after sun exposure, aloe vera can really help. It calms the skin, hydrates deeply, and slowly improves uneven skin tone. Here's how to use it. Take fresh aloe vera gel from the plant, or you can also use pure aloe vera gel from the market. Apply a thin layer on your face or on the areas where you have tanning, then gently massage it for about 30 seconds so your skin absorbs it properly. You can leave it overnight or at least 20 minutes before washing it off. If you use aloe vera regularly for 1 to 2 weeks, you may notice that your skin looks calmer, more hydrated, and slightly brighter. The next remedy can help brighten dull skin even faster. The second remedy is a simple honey and lemon mask. And the best part? You probably already have these ingredients in your kitchen. You only need 1 teaspoon honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix them together and apply the mixture on your face or on the tanned areas. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Honey helps moisturize and nourish the skin, while lemon contains vitamin C, which can help brighten dull skin and gradually reduce dark spots. But here's something important. If you have sensitive skin, use very little lemon or skip it completely. This mask can make your skin look fresh and glowing. But if your tan is very stubborn, then the third remedy is the one you should definitely try. The third remedy is actually a very popular Indian tan removal pack that people have used for years. It's the besan face pack. For this remedy, you will need 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon curd or milk, a small pinch of turmeric. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth paste. Apply the pack evenly on your face and leave it for about 15 minutes. Once it starts drying, gently rub your skin while washing it off. This helps remove tan, exfoliate dead skin cells, and bring back your natural glow. Using this pack 2 or 3 times a week can gradually make your skin look brighter and more even. Now, before you leave, here are 3 simple habits that actually prevent tanning in the first place. First, always apply sunscreen before going outside, even if the weather looks cloudy. Second, drink enough water because hydrated skin always looks healthier. And third, try to avoid strong sun exposure between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. when UV rays are the strongest. So these were 3 simple home remedies to reduce tan and dark spots naturally. Just remember, natural remedies take time, so consistency is the key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more simple skincare tips. And tell me in the comments, which remedy are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.